Now seventh question, first part. Find the value of the following. Either you can find by the long division method, or you can do by any method, prime factorization, and where in which method you want to do. By which method you want to do, you can by long division method. Suppose we have second question by long division. Suppose we have question 2 by 49. First change into mixed fraction, change into improper. 49 2s are 98, 98 plus 2 100 divide by 49. This question no need to find direct to 100 square root. 100 can we write 10 square, 49 can we write 7 square, upside square root. Now 10 square, separate the roots, separate roots, square root cancelled, square cancel with root. 10 by 7 is the answer of this question. Clear? Similarly this question you can do by yourself with the long division method, and similarly this question also. How we can write this question? We can write 125.87 square root. This question is given, but we can write 12587 root divide by decimal after 2 digits, means 2 zeros will come. From 100 can we write 100 to 10 square? Square root of 100 is 12587 divided by, it will come 10, because square is cancelled with root. You can find square root 12587, square root of 12587 by the long division method. Write answer and divide by 10, you will get your answer. Clear this question? Now question number 8. In a stadium, 3481 soldiers line up to form a square. Find the number of soldiers in each row. Square is formed, square is formed, suppose it is a square. Square is formed by the soldiers. This is first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, like this. First column, second column, third column, fourth column, and so on. Means columns and rows are equal. If we are saying area of square, if we are saying area of square is equals to side multiply side, area of square is equals to side multiply side. Area is given, means square is formed by 3481 soldiers, means area is 3481. Side multiply side means row multiply row, or we can say row multiply column, because rows and columns are equal. We can write row multiply row. Row multiply row means row square, or we can write side square, both are same. Either we can write row square or we can write side square. This side or row, other side this square, it will come in the root of 3481, and then you can find root of 3481. Then you will get your row value or the side value. Now number 4 4s are 16, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. Number less than, whose square is less than 34, that is 5. 5 5s are 25. 34 minus 25, this is 34 minus 25 is 9, 981. Now 5 5 10, by which number we will multiply to get 981? Let us multiply with the 9. 9 9s are 81, 9 1s are 9, means we will multiply with the 9 to get 981. What are the number of rows? This is equals to 59. Answer is equals to 59. Clear this question? Now question number 9. Let us check question number 9. Simplify the following. Similarly, same as question number 5th, 6th, 7th, 256 multiply 361. First of all, you can multiply, or you can separate the terms. 256 multiply 361. Find the square root of 256 by the prime factorization method, and find the 361 square root of 361 by prime factorization method. Or you can find by the square root by the long division method, and then which answer will come, you can multiply both the answers, you will get answer. Similarly in all the questions you can do by yourself. Same evaluate how we can evaluate root of 92.16 plus 0.9216. This is the question number 10th. This is the question number 10th. 92.16 means 9216 divide by 100. If we'll remove point, it will come plus this side. If we'll remove 1 2 3 4 4 zeros will come, 9216 divide by 4 zeros. 200 we can write 10 square plus 9216 100. Can we write 100 square? Because 4 zeros are there, we can write 2 zeros square. 120 means 100 square. Here 9216 10 square. If we'll cut square by root square, if we'll cut square by its root, then we will get 1 by 10 outside, plus similarly 1 by 100 we will get outside 9216. Either you can solve by long division method, or you can solve by prime factorization method, You can solve and find the value of 9216 divide by 10, plus here also write value, divide by 100, and afterward do plus and find answer of this question.